I would have thought one in
Yeah.
Argentina, Iguazu.
You see, guys, this bridge here, that's really on the top of the trees. It's really quite high. It's quite high. Tingnan nyo. Oh, nandyan, oh. Saan sa baba, guys, oh. This is a very quite high. So, and it's moving. It's moving. So, ito likod na ito ng Table Mountain. Hindi siya flat dito sa, dito na side. Hindi siya flat tingnan. Pero doon sa, sa city, flat na flat siya. Pero ito yung back. So, life in canopy. Life in the tree canopy. Look. So, itong tawag dito, guys. Itong bridge na ito. Yan, oh. Halika nga. Halika nga kayo. Iano ko sa'yo kayo dito. Yan. So, nandito tayo. Na part ng garden. Yan. So, dito tayo, guys. Yan, para mga palm sila. The oldest living. Oh, that's what they call that. Ito, guys. See? The cycad. Oldest living collection. Yan. Yan, banana daw yun, oh. Yan. So, there's a dinosaur here on the sky, in the side of the world. Yan. So, ito yung mga trees. Guys, this one here, they look like actually this is the flying dinosaur. And this is the cycad.
Yeah.
Cycad, it look like a palm tree, but it's not a palm tree. That's what they call it, cycad. Yan.